Good evening, everybody. Coach Ethan Cubit here, Ironclad CrossFit, Easton, Maryland, coming to you tonight from my bike room, and we're going to be going over lesson 3, calculating the stimulus. For this, I chose workout number 1, 4 rounds, 4 time of a 600-meter run, 10 squat snatches at 135 pounds for the males, 95 pounds for females, and then 15 chest to bar pull-ups. And this is, again, is 4 rounds for time. So doing the initial math, I calculated this an average of about 16 minutes. And how I got that here was the 600-meter run should be done in about 3 minutes or less. We're looking for about a 3-minute effort here for the scaled athletes. And that's based on a 400-meter run should take about 2 minutes or less, plus a 200-meter run on that should take about a minute or less. So you get about 3 minutes. 10 squat snatches here at 135 pounds. This is not a lightweight, but it's not a super heavy weight. I say it's a moderate weight. I still think it's possible for a squat snatch can be done in about 3 seconds, and to do 10 of them, I think you can get it done in about 30 seconds. Either you're doing 2 sets of touch and goes, 2 sets of 5, or very fast singles. I think you can get this done in 30 seconds. I certainly think there are athletes that can do that. And then for 15 chest to bar pull-ups, you can do in about 30 seconds. I'd say a chest to bar pull-up takes about 2 seconds to do. You will definitely have athletes who can do this unbroken. And I would try and encourage my athletes to break it up into no more than 3 sets to try and keep it under 30 seconds. With that, I got 4 minutes per round. 3 minutes plus 30 seconds gives you about 4 minutes. 4 times 4 rounds gives you an average of about 16 minutes, which I think it's possible, but it would be absolutely flying. So taking into account fatigue, which is where I think we're going to find most athletes. Again, I think for the run, you can stay pretty consistent for 3 minutes or less. And I would even tell my scaled athletes, you're looking for about a 3-minute effort for this cardio piece. For the squat snatches here, I added about 15 seconds for each round. I think coming off of the run, your legs are going to be more fatigued than you think they are. So I added 15 seconds for each round, taking round 4 all the way up to just over a minute. For the chest to bar pull-ups, I think coming off the snatches, this could get a little bit grippy. So for each one of these, I added 10 seconds for a round, and then taking it out to round 4 gets you at about a minute to get 15 chest to bar pull-ups done. But again, I would encourage my athletes to break this up into no more than 3 sets for your chest to bar pull-ups. So from that, for round 1 is 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Round 3 is 4 minutes, 50 seconds. And the last round, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Adding that up gets you a round of about 18 minutes and 30 seconds. So for this, I would set a target range for my athletes anywhere from 16 minutes, which is absolutely flying, out to 20 minutes, because I think you're going to have athletes will run into trouble rounds here, around 3, where they could possibly be breaking up these chest to bar pull-ups into hopefully not more than 3 sets, as well as really feeling the fatigue here after the 3rd run in the squat snatches. So I would calculate the stimulus to be anywhere between 16 to 20 minutes for my athletes. And that is all I have for you. Let me know how I did. And gold star for anybody who can name what that legendary blade is. Thank you.